Today, oh, someone's alarm's going off. Today I have arrived at Viewed Classic Car Show. Now, just spotted this gorgeous GXL MREG pre-facelift for sale. It's had a full restoration and it looks like it is for sale, unless this is sort of like, I don't know, maybe it's trying to be quirky like it was when it was new, or second hand back in the 70s scissor. Please do not touch. So you've got mirrors down here, so you see underneath how clean it is. Absolutely stunning car. Can't really see that reflection very well. And there's one here. Can't really see that very well in my light, but if you can. It's an absolutely stunning car. I think it's worth more than £1,200. It's got a brown vinyl roof in green. Absolutely gorgeous car. You've got a mirror under here. Oh, look at that. See the underside of the car right down through, including the diff. That's immaculate. Beautiful car.